Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Danita and I have something really awesome today. I have my first Magic at Your Door unboxing for you. I'm pretty excited about this. I've been waiting weeks and weeks and it feels like years and years for this box to come in. Before we get started on that, I want to show you my awesome new shirt I got today. It says, "You made me a believer. Imagining Dragons One Little Spark Tour." It came from a cute little Etsy shop called The Gravity Shop, and it just came in today, and it's a little bit big. The sizing was a little bit hard, but I had to wear it anyways. I even put on a pair of not finished ears just so that I could be figment and magical for this unboxing. So this is my first ever Magic at Your Door box. I almost didn't get it. I really kind of struggled with deciding if this was the right box for me because I'm not a filler kind of person, and although it looks like everybody really gets their value, it looks like it's smaller items. But the more I kept following along on their Facebook page and seeing the unboxings, I just really wanted to give it a try. Magic at Your Door is about $99 a month. You have to commit to 3 months in order to get that price. Otherwise, I think it's like $179. And then I know they have a larger box of Magic AF. It's Magic as Fantasyland box, which is more. And then they do a lot of special boxes. But I just went with the normal subscription, the 3-month subscription, thinking if this doesn't work for me, maybe we will do these for my husband and get him all kinds of cool treats and snacks. But a couple of things I really like about this is they redo this little guy. They call him Dude, and they redo him monthly, and it just kind of is something special and different and kind of waiting to see what Dude looks like every month. And then I also really like that it's personalized. It comes with my name on the outside of the box, and I thought that was kind of cool. There are about, I printed this off, about 15 pages on the preference sheet that you fill out. Now it does say that you're going to get about 120% of your money back in merchandise, but it also says that your preferences are guidelines and that they won't necessarily be followed. It just depends on what's available. So again, I have a few concerns, but mostly I'm excited. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have. So I went ahead and cut the tape because I didn't want to struggle a whole lot on camera. I think I'm kind of struggling on camera anyways, but I didn't open it, and it's in there really good. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Okay, right here on top it has a certificate. It says, "If you can dream it, you can do it, and always let your conscience be your guide. May the magic of Disney be forever at your door." That's really cool. So I'll hang that up maybe on my pin board or back here behind me to show that I'm now a member of the Ohana for Magic at Your Door. And then I've seen this in some other boxes. It's the pricing chart, so you can see exactly what you got. Okay, lots and lots of confetti here. I'm sure that you've seen the confetti before. It's pretty. I'm gonna put it aside so I can use it for somebody else. And we're gonna dig right in. Oh my gosh. Okay, so right from the start, Mike has got me. I'm kind of shocked. I'm be perfectly honest. I did not expect to really have anything in here I loved, but I loved the first thing I pulled out. So one of the questions on there is what artist you like, and there's a bunch you can choose from, and I put down in the box underneath that I really liked the Disney Thomas Kinkade. And so the first thing I have is this. So it's a Thomas Kinkade of the Castle, and it is just absolutely beautiful. Okay, Mike, you won number 1. I'm more excited now. Let's see. I'm gonna try not to look and just kind of pull things out. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. So I am a Loungefly addict. And before I show you this, there was a Loungefly backpack at Box Lunch that I really wanted. And I kept putting it off, and it went out of print. And now I can't find it. And it was Marie on a white background, lots of pink and white, and very girly. And I'm not always super girly, but I love this backpack. I'm so excited. And I only have one Loungefly wallet, and it's Hello Kitty. It's not even Disney. Oh, look. It's got the polka dot lining with, oh my gosh. Okay, Mike. 2 for 2. You're winning. I don't even want to put it down. Okay. It's almost like he could read my mind. It was like, nope, Danita, I'm not gonna let you have your way. You're wrong. I am the best. So I also put on there that I love Jim Shore. I really did not expect a Jim Shore in this. And this is my first non-Christmas Jim Shore. All of my Jim Shores are currently Christmas. Oh, it's just so cute. Okay. Gotta come out. Oh, he is strapped in good. Okay, hold on. Oh. Ooh, and it's interactive. What in the world? What is this? Okay. So it is Stitch. He says it's interactive. Let's see what he does. I think it needs to be in the dark. So I'm gonna play with this a little bit on my own. Can you see that? No, that doesn't help. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's fantastic. Oh, there he goes. See how he lit up? Oh, that's so fun. Okay. Mike, you win. You win. Okay, so I've also been seeing, I don't know if I mentioned the Facebook page, I think I did, but they have a Facebook page, which is something that I really did like about them. And I've been seeing a lot of shirts on the Facebook page that have like the Cinderella and princess shoes. I'm not a huge shoe person. I am not a super dress up kind of person. I dress professionally for work, but are semi-professionally business casual, but I don't really dress up and go out a lot. Much more my speed. It says top knot hair. Don't care. It's got Tink kind of peeking out. I have some friends who will be very jealous of this shirt. I'm blown away. This is seriously the best box out of all the unboxings I've seen. And we're just now at the magic pouch. I'm afraid. It is really well. And it's pins. Oh. Okay. Alice in Wonderland pins. So I just started pin collecting. Well, I have a few more now I have to unbox, but I don't even have enough to fill one board. So this is perfect. I love these. And there's still something else in here. Okay. So we're going to Disney in December, and when we first started planning this trip, we were going to stay at the Contemporary. That's my favorite resort. I love it. I used to stay there when I was a kid, and we had rooms for our room faced the fireworks. Well, as we went on, the boys wanted to eat out more often, and we wanted to go bigger with everything, and they just didn't feel like the room was as important. So I changed it because this trip was for the boys, not for me. And there's no way he could have known that. But I love ornaments. I don't know if this will go on my Christmas tree or just hang out all the time somewhere. You have just knocked this beyond out of the park. That should be everything. That's more than I ever expected. Let's see if I think I had a sheet. I can't even begin to imagine what this is going to come to. So I don't see a sheet. Maybe I've dropped it. But let's see. The shirt is $16.95. Marie, I'm not sure, but you know, these go for 50 some odd dollars on their own. The Gem Shore is $25. Just keep shining. The pins are $24.99. The ornament is $14.95. And then I have no idea how much postcards are. I don't know, $5, $6, $7, $10. I'm gonna dump all this on the ground and see if the sheet is in there. Nope, it's not, but you know what? That's okay. There we go. That's okay. This is way more than I didn't even spend $99. I had a discount code from Miss Cherry's channel. So like $89 I spent, and this blows it out of the water. I have no words. Okay, Mike, you have made a believer out of me. I had skipped next month's, but I'm gonna go back in and unskip it. The cat likes the paper, so if you hear that, she likes the paper. She's actually in the box with the confetti right now. You just made my day. More than my day. Thank you so much. So we will definitely be back next month with another Magic at Your Door box, and I have some other things coming, but I'm not really sure anything's going to beat this at this point. So please, if you haven't already, hit subscribe, hit the bell button. That way they will let you know when I post something. I'm not on a schedule yet. I'm brand new. I'm figuring it out. But hit that bell button and then you'll get a notification, and have an absolutely fabulous day. Bye-bye.